All right, hey guys, I'm back again with another fan comparison. This time's with both Holmes Box fans from the 2001, I believe, 2000 to 2001. So let's get started. The one on the left is the one that everyone knows with the Robeson blade, but this one has a new finish to it. It doesn't have like the weird shapes in the middle of the hub. And I'm sorry if you can't really see it because a little mishap happened to the hub while cleaning the fan, but it's rounded, as you can see. And with this one's an extreme oddball. This one has the fake, as I call it, the fake Lakewood blade set. As you can see, it doesn't have the shapes in inside the hub of the Lakewood. It's just smooth like butter. But it does have the same pitch as the Lakewood. Not sure if you can see. Same pitch. It just doesn't have the brace. The brace mounts. It was quite weird seeing these. I thought these were Lakewood fans, but as soon as I grew up, started to grow up a little bit, these were Holmes fans, and I figured, if I have one of these, that would be cool. But as you can see, these are both HABF-20s, by the way, if I didn't mention. See, same knob, same style switch. These both have the same weird sticker and the weird hole and the weird handle. The grip for the handle right here. Same motor mounts. Not sure. See, same motor mounts, same wiring. Now, as we turn to the side, same style cabinet. Both of these don't have holes for the stand, unfortunately. And now, here's the back to both of these fans. Both of these strangely have the Raider motor. Unfortunately, I thought that this was a Marco motor, but as soon as I opened it up, it had a label saying that it was a Raider Motor Company. So, and this is from 2001, I believe. And these have the stator, I believe. The stabilizer. It's because these blades were made cheaply. So, yeah. Both of these have the same knob. Not knob. The same handle. This one has a different Raider motor, the newer Raider motor, which I somewhat like these better. I'm not sure why I do. Maybe it's because I had a couple of these and a couple Holmes fans growing up. That's all I seen. But these are pretty cool. I hate the gray ones though. If you know what I'm talking about, then you should understand how ugly those motors are. So, same wiring as I said before. This one, fortunately, has rust in it. This one doesn't. The same motor mounts as well. And for some odd reason, my the grills are yellow, and I'm not sure how. I don't know if you get. I'm not sure how. But when I got these fans last year, they weren't like this. I'm not sure what caused it, because these are very yellow. The grills, especially on this one. This was worse. I'm not even sure how this even happened, but I'll come up with a solution. But without further ado, I'm going to start this one on the left on low. The one on the left here, this is a childhood fan. This is one of the first fans I had as a baby, along with a 3723. And I have the same exact one that I had as a baby. I actually did that with a comparison of another Holmes Box fan. So that's up on my channel if you didn't look at it. But the low one here is quite good. Medium's faster on here for some reason. Shakes like crack too, but not as worse as the one that I have of this kind. Like I said, I did a comparison on how bad it shook, but this is only a medium, so we'll see what high does. Here it is, high. Yeah, does the same thing as the other Holmes fan did. It's going backwards. It's moving backwards. It's quite shaking badly too. See. It's a shame how they made these fans, but these are way better than the crap that they make today. Like 3 times better. 3 to 5 times better. Here's all. Now with this one's a game changer. I didn't expect this fan to be this powerful, but it is. And I see why they might have wanted to use this blade set. Because it goes. See. Watch it see. Extremely powerful, extremely loud, and it has an extremely loud humming sound to it. But it's a good fan, of course. And it shakes like crack too, of course. And the hood shakes a lot too. Medium. The humming sound only happens on high. It sometimes happens on medium, but most frequently on high. On high, most likely. You can hear it. I don't know if you hear it, but the humming is there on video. There's a lot. It's quiet on low. Back to medium. Back to high. Quite frankly, from time to time, I would use this fan on high. I don't know. I just like the humming sound to it. It may be annoying to some people, but I kind of like it. I don't know why I do. And just like this one's moving back. And here it is. Alright, so I'm going to start these both on high right now. High, medium, and low. So, here we go. They're both moving back. Not a surprise. But the one on the right is actually staying a little bit, but the one on the left is just going. It's medium. Like I said, the one on the Holmes has a heavier blade, but it's faster. I guess the blade pitch isn't as efficient as the one on the right. This is weird, but hey, you get what you get. You get what you you get what you get. You get what you can get. Here as well. As you could tell from both of these, if I didn't point it out, which I most likely didn't, these obviously had broken slats. And I had the Holmes, my other HABF-20. That one didn't have that one didn't have slats missing until I had a little freak accident with it. Unfortunately, now it's missing about five or six missing slats. So, and I was only able to find two, unfortunately. But I'll find them eventually. Back to high. It's a shame how these fans are made. These fans were made so cheap. It's not like, but it's quite shocking because these fans actually hold up. Like, these have Obviously the fake McMillan motor, but it's technically the same thing. The frame is built very good. Uh, quite well. It's built quite well, but it's just the grills, some of the screws go missing on the motor mounts sometimes, or they become loose, such as right now. I know you guys heard both of these rattle, but these are still good fans, and I wouldn't trade any of these for any modern fan ever. I would never. But for 20-year-old fans, these are becoming quite rare. You don't see many of these anymore, especially the one on the right with the fake liquid blade. So, in conclusion, please, like I said in all my other videos, please acquire these fans. If you see any on the street, in the trash, thrift stores, eBay, Key Place, Facebook Marketplace, because that's where most of them are. I scroll and search throughout the entire nation, and I will see at least a handful of these on the internet. And then you could get these you can afford these as well, quite affordable. But in conclusion, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next fan comparison. See you later.